Hello kids, today we are going to learn about cleaning items. Dustpan. This is dustpan. Liquid soap. This is liquid soap. Squeegee. This is squeegee. Vacuum cleaner. This is vacuum cleaner. Rubber gloves. This is rubber gloves. Washing machine. This is washing machine. Trash can. This is trash can. Scrub brush. This is scrub brush. Paper towel. This is paper towel. Sponge mop. This is sponge mop. Bucket with mop stick. This is bucket with mop stick. Spray cleaner. This is spray cleaner. Broom. This is broom. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more videos.